Bainbridge Island, Washington, where I live, is a place where big government is preferred, and generally speaking, tax preparation and tax strategy is not a big priority. I would say few people openly talk about trying to lower tax liability or using advanced tax strategies. Now, here's where the complexity actually begins. Every year about tax time, let's say April and October, I get calls from Bainbridge Island entrepreneur clients looking to lower their tax liability, by the way, legally and morally. Are you a closet big government type person who is all for big government, but then again, you're really still looking to lower tax liability? Again, by the way, legally. It's okay. This video should help, by the way, and it might even help a seasoned tax strategist or someone new to the game. If you're a veteran, this will be a quick refresher. If you're a rookie, it will be a brief outline that you should really take to your tax professional, tax advisor, as many senior advisors forget some of these very easy to understand techniques. There are 6 basic and general tax planning techniques. Here we'll go over a countdown of those. By the way, my name is Kenner French. I'm with vastsolutionsgroup.com. We do taxes, finance, and AI to help with small business owners, where we try to help them prepare their taxes, potentially, and also get ready for retirement. The principles around which all tax cutting strategies revolve can be reduced to 6 simple basics. Here's a countdown from 6 to numero uno. Income splitting. Taxes are reduced for the total family unit by shifting income among several family members or legal entities in order to get more of the income taxed at a lower rate. I should mention, by the way, there's a surprise later on, so please do stay tuned. Number 5, shifting income. Certain kinds of income, meaning bonuses, dividends, and year-end payments, for example, those can be shifted from one year to another in order to have income fall where it would be taxed at a typically a lower rate potentially. Meaning, as you come closer to the end of the year, strategies can be had where it's beneficial to shift income into the next year, as an example. Number 4, shifting deductions. As with income, certain deductible expenses can be paid in one year or the next in order to place them where the tax benefit will be greater. Number 3, deferring tax. Putting your money into certain investments or making pension plan contributions, they allow you to defer taxes, some income, until potentially a future year. An example may help. We're working with a client who is a Bainbridge Island resident, as a matter of fact. She's in real estate. Based upon setting up a relatively simple retirement plan, she will be able to save close to $40,000 in taxes while saving for her own personal retirement. She lacks that idea. Number 2, tax deductible expenditures. Certain expenses may be tax deductible if you meet specific requirements in tax code. Structuring your affairs to obtain a tax deduction for 2 things you enjoy, with stringent IRS guidelines, by the way, as an example of this tax cutting technique. This one is potentially the most simple. Make investments in the company and you get tax deductions. You win in that the government gives you money to make investments in your own specific company. Number 1, tax-exempt investments. You can select investments that produce income that are exempt from either federal or state income tax, or maybe even both. Many mutual fund investments, for example, have tax advantages. Become aware of how tax law changes are affecting you and make adjustments necessary to lessen the impact of them in your earning situation. Boom! There you have it. Admit it. You do not spend more than just a few moments per year going over your taxes. Change that now. By the way, please do discuss these very simple techniques with your tax professional ASAP. Even if you're a Bainbridge Island resident and you're a closet capitalist, it's okay. Seek help. Since you stayed this long, email einstein@vastsolutionsgroup.com. You'll get a copy of my book, as you can see. It's called The Entrepreneur's Manifesto, a collection of smart financial advice. If you like this video, please like it. And please subscribe to the channel. A lot of good information comes from here. Thank you for sticking with us. It really is much appreciated. Once again, Kenner French of vastsolutionsgroup.com.